Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if
Here, open the thing. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. It's raining. We're checking for any eggs. One
rabbit.
Well, we might get more later. Because remember, it takes, what did I say, 26 hours? So it hasn't been quite 24. I made you a mask. Welcome to the vlog. I made her a chicken mask like mine, but I like them like this because they're a little bit big and they're more breathable. Put your mask
This
on.
just has lip gloss.
Okay, put your mask on so we can show everybody our chicken masks.
Hi.
We're at Hobby Lobby.
Hi.
Hey guys, we're home from Hobby Lobby. I just picked up a few rolls of glitter ribbon. I don't have an order, but it's on sale this week. And then I wanted to look at their fall decor, and I looked at that. Look at all my sunflowers. They're already down there picking peaches. I don't know if you can see them. Right through the trees right there. They're picking peaches. She just put ODO in the goat pen for a bit. We're gonna check if there's any more eggs. She wants me to wait for her. And y'all, my pumpkin is not growing, so I don't know. I'm just gonna end up pulling it up because there's no sense in having a big ginormous pumpkin plant with no pumpkins growing. Okay, we're ready. Go. Still just one.
What is she waiting for?
Maybe there's might be one over there. Let's look.
Cooper's just one of the chickens. Why no egg? Yes, it can. No birthing.
Oh, it stinks in here because the floor is wet. I need to give them some more wood chips. Hey, shake up there.
Yes, you don't.
Careful, don't slip. I'm gonna go get more pine shavings. Hold on. Hey guys, so I pulled up part of my pumpkin. I put it down with the goats. I don't know if goats eat pumpkin leaves. We don't know. I know they can't eat peach leaves. Oh, you guys. Got another tomato. You okay? Oh, wait a minute. Maybe it's a... Oh, it's just a branch. This is like taking over. See all these tomatoes growing in here? I didn't plant these. The only one I planted was this one. And I think another one that was right here. But it's overgrown. My carrots, most of them got gone. I don't know if something came and ate them, but most of them got gone. And then the rest we dug up and gave to them. But I have a potato in this. We're just gonna see what's in here. Do what? I'm gonna see if anything grew in here. Wow!
I'll take this.
A whole bunch of them, huh? One's rotten.
What's wrong now?
There's one rotten potato.
Daddy walking potato.
Look out! No, no, no.
Daddy's walking potato.
Some of them are good.
Daddy's on the Daddy's on
I'm gonna put them.
the
Here, put the potatoes in here, even the little ones. You might be able to do something with the little ones.
Okay.
So here's the potatoes I got out of that one. They're kind of small, but that's okay. You know, we can do stuff with small potatoes. And that, we're just gonna live there. Well, we got a big tomato growing right there. Okay. These I'm just gonna let sit out and cure. I might put them, I don't know where I'm going to put them right now, but I'm going to leave them in the bucket for right this minute. I think there's another potato over here I got to look at. Hold on, leave those in there. We got one more over here. Let's see. I think this one. I'm just going to lift this one up. Alright, let's see if this one's got. This one's been weird. Wow, move your head! There's some pretty small ones on this one too. You know what? I wonder if I put it back in there. No, don't eat that. Journey, don't eat that, okay? Oh my gosh, you guys. Come here, give me that. Jern. I think she just picked it off my plant. I don't know if it's old. Let me look at it, okay? Make sure it's okay. Oh, it looks pretty good. Don't eat the seeds, okay? We gotta wash it off though, okay? My little country girl just came over here and picked her a pepper. There was some more that was going to, but obviously they are no longer.
Like that one. That one. Like that one.
Yeah, we got a little one. We're gonna let him grow, okay? We gotta let him get bigger. My strawberries, I mean, they're done, but I still get random strawberries on them. And my tomatoes.
This is a mango.
So, no, don't pick that one. Okay.
This is the mango.
Yeah. So my tomatoes got really big and then started dying off, so I started to cut them back, and now I got new blooms. I'm not sure if anything will become of them. This one something became of, but then somebody decided to eat it. I won't be surprised if there's a tomato worm on there, but not that worried about it. I mean, you know, garden season for me is pretty much over. What had happened, and we know now, and we're gonna do better next year, but it got overtaken by weeds and it was just too much for me personally. So we're going to fence in the backyard. So it's gonna go from there to the coop, and then from that end out to there, and then down to here, and then from that end over here to there. So this whole area is going to be fenced in, so that way if we want to let, you know, the goats out, they can roam around the yard. Like if they want to go out there and eat, they can eat whatever they want because it's pretty much done. But so for now, what we're going to do is we're going to, number one, I'm going to have my husband weed eat the whole thing, and after he's done weed eating, then I'm going to till up the whole thing. And after we till that up, well, I don't even know if we're going to till it up first or if we're going to spray it, but Uncle Brian said something about spraying some kind of killer on there that takes care of just about anything. But he knows all about, you know, what killers and what, you know, stuff to use that you can use, because obviously he's got to use stuff out there and stuff you can, that's safe to use, let's put it that way. And she's talking too.
Mommy, where's the mouse? The mouse is done.
Oh no.
It's done.
Otis. Why, Otis? You're the reason we can't have nice stuff. That's Duska crowing. He just went over there. I noticed a bunch of weeds out in the, you might see some right there by Journey's bike.
Mommy.
They're just laying out. And I'm like, who pulled these weeds up? It's so weird. There's a, yeah, there's a random tomato growing next to that. But see, the thing with growing, Otis, stop! The thing with growing plants like that, they don't tend to, like the pumpkin, I'm thinking came from, here, let's get down. Oh, I do got watermelon growing, but let's go in the house for a minute. Come on. Okay, you want this cut up. She loves bell pepper. She loves celery. I'm waiting. I just left the one egg in there because when if the other two girls lay their eggs, I just wanted to get like a picture of all three of them together. But we'll see. I'll give them more time. Plus a little bantam. I don't know if they are like an every 26-hour layer like the other ones. But I gotta get my purse and stuff out of the car.
Mommy,
yes.
It's not working.
Your calculator's not working? So these are the colors I picked up at Hobby Lobby.
Mommy,
I got some more downstairs.
It's not working.
But I just thought these were some of the colors I needed. So I picked up these, and then I bought this, and then I bought this. It's so cute. Hey guys. The light's a little weird. Let me close it. Do what?
Whoa, darn it.
My living room is still atrocious, but it is raining cats and dogs outside. And my husband has to pick peaches. And so he's out there picking peaches. But you guys, it is just pouring. Pouring. So while the boys are out picking peaches, the guys are out picking peaches, I am going to make some of the Instant Pot ziti. I am browning up my burger first. Journey, I tell everybody about how you stain up your clothes. Do you stain up your shirts? Journey, do you stain up your shirts? Let me see your shirt. What's on your shirt? Show Mama. Can I see it? Oh, I guess she's embarrassed. Ooh, super nice.